items for you. It's sort of because I lost my stuff.
Do you want me to go into a workbench?
No, I got it. Okay. You know how I'm always trying new gizmos
Is
out.
that something I'm going to have to order?
No.
Okay.
So this is all the rage of some people. It is a fine point marker with an eraser pen. So you can mark your material with a fine point, and then when you want to get rid of it, you have to erase it with the eraser pen. So they tell you when you buy the fine point marker, go out and get a couple extra eraser pens too. So I thought, oh, Becky has to try this out, right? Yeah, you read about it. Watch this. We're going to want to go top down on this, Ed.
Advice. First test pen on fabric sample.
Yeah.
Always test pens on fabric sample.
Yeah, that's not my problem now.
Okay.
Is that a fabric sample?
Well, I'm really using
Consejo de uso. Antes de utilizarlo, prueba en un trozo de tela. Demuestra algunas telas pueden contener químicos o ser de un grosor tal que afecta la remoción.
The theory is,
Spanish.
I take my ruler, right, and I'm going to draw a line on my fabric. So here's my pen, my pink pen, not my eraser, my pink pen.
Your pink pen, yes.
Watch this. Watch and awe.
Not you.
Okay, look at the results of my line.
That's dark.
That's not what bothers me. What bothers me is blot, 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 blot. Is that catching on the film? It is not a nice, clean line. The pen, in my opinion, leaks. I don't know what else to call it. Do you see the blots? Look at the big blot here. It blots.
Blotty blot blot.
Yeah, so not cool, in my opinion. I'm like, what are you doing? What are you doing, you fine point marker? See those blots? Do you see them?
Doesn't the blot kind of defeat the purpose of having a fine point?
Exactly. Okay, and then I go, all right, well, that's not my favorite marker anymore.
Well, it's erasable, so you can erase the blots.
So now, to get rid of it, I can't iron it. I can't water soluble it. It doesn't air erase. I have to use this erasing pen. Watch me erase my marks. Ready, Ed? You ready for this? Let's start with the block, because you said get rid of the big blocks. Watch.
It just makes it worse.
Okay, it's gone. No, it's finally gone.
Well, it's wet now.
Look how hard I have to work. Now y'all know I'm a friction pen kind of gal. This would be done.
Yes, but friction pen on some fabric.
I don't want to hear it.
Okay, I'm just saying.
That's how wet I have to get this thing to get the marks out of it. And now what? I dry it with the iron or...
Will the iron set the pigment in?
Or no, it will dry the fabric and it's gone. But then Becky says, I want to draw a new line because I was off just a scotch.
A scotch. I thought my brother was the only person that used that word.
So I get my pen that I really don't like anymore.
Yeah.
And I decide I want to draw a new line right next to this line. So I line it up and I go to draw it. Oh wait, it doesn't work.
Because it's wet.
No, because I've used the magic eraser. Even after it's dry, I can no longer mark in the location I just erased. Cannot.
Well,
Cannot.
that sounds like a pretty... That sounds like a problem that's pretty mild compared to Jean's story.
So what I'm telling you is...
She marked a crosshatch out, but it wasn't an iron.
Oh, Jean! I hope you sew straight lines and see the blot. So what I'm telling you, Brent, and everybody out there, that when you see these guys, and they're everywhere right now, they're everywhere.
Who makes them? Clover?
You were supposed to read that.
Yeah.
They are not, I do not recommend them, and now I have a set. Anybody want them?
You get a,
Literally
you get a marker. You get a marker.
The fact that I have to have two tools to do one thing
Yep.
wasn't right. But the fact that I can't even mark where I've
you-
already marked, I mean, why am I erasing it? Because I
You
goofed
messed
up
it
and I want to
okay.
fix it. I'm either going to take water or, my case, friction, iron. Those are my two. So anyway,
Okay.
turbo tip is
Don't buy them.
don't buy these, please. And you don't have to bring them into the store because I don't like them. But I got another one for you this week
Oh,
Ooh, bonus.
because it was on sale. And you know, Becky.
now I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have to buy.
Nope,
Right?
nope, nope,
Was it on sale at the dollar store?
nope. No, but Dana, you haven't given us a dollar store purchase in a while.
What's up with dollar store? Dollar General. Like
$1.25 now.
Yeah, but Dollar General stores are like like you just driving down the road and like there's Dollar General, and it's like, where's the population to support this store? It's like in the middle of nowhere. There's a Dollar General. It always surprises me.
Okay. Can we go back to me? Because
Yeah,
I like
I was
talking
just-
about me. This is this is a project box.
I see that.
Y'all know I'm a project box kind of gal, but this is a special project box. It happens to be on sale at Joann's. They're having a big storage sale right now. I think it's 50 to 60% off. Normally, you get a double satchel like this when it's on sale, because we only buy them when they're on sale, for $19.99.
That's about right. Yeah. Okay.
And these are perfect for quilt projects. But this one is
It's huge.
also not, no, these are the double satchels.
There's something in it.
Yes, this one is the same exact price at Joann's, but it has, wait for it,
Dun, 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 dun.
a removable tray.
Ooh.
A removable tray, that's right, that ooh and ah people, that holds my what?
Oh my goodness.
Your whatever
Hi,
that was.
Is
Adriana!
that a new one? With the palm trees? Did you just make that?
No, I have several with palm trees, but it fits my 12 by 12 design board and any other little project, your current block you're working on, your little doodads and just. So if you're working on frosty, if you're signing up for macaw, if this, even if you're doing, what's the other one? Midnight. These are something, and they're $19.99, and you can hold all your stuff. Now it also has all these dividers, which I probably would just throw away because of my fabric. But some people might want them, but I don't need them. But so this is now my favorite project box.
That's thicker than a double, though.
No, it's not.
It's a double deep,
It's a double D,
which is different than a double.
which is like a double D, with a drawer.
Okay.
How cool is this?
It's pretty
So
cool.
imagine you're coming to class.
They also make bins that go in that tray.
Oh, and they're stackable. Wilma
Yeah.
says they also make bins that go in here.
Yeah.
They do. And these are stackable. And they're on sale. They're normally like $40, $50.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Nice.
$39.99, but they're on sale for $19.99. And you can buy them online and get them delivered to your front door with free shipping.
Ooh.
Nice.